Just wanted to take a minute to thank all of the customers that came to one of our 3 open houses that we've had, Bloomington, Stevens Point, and Menominee Falls. Shout out to all the vendors as well that participated, specifically those that did all 3, Unex, Blue Line, Inner Thor, Combi Lift, Columbia, Nilfisk Advance, and many, many more. I want to thank those for participating, giving their time, bringing their equipment. Hopefully this was an educational experience for all the customers that came. I know that attendance was very good at all 3 events, which makes this worthwhile. It's good to get back together after a couple of years of not being able to do that. So thank you, everybody.